My name's Louise Frampton. I'm the editor of Clinical Services Journal and I'm reporting today from EBME Expo. And I'm joined by Vicky from ZOLL Medical. Welcome.
Thank you so much for having me, and it's an honour to be able to have the opportunity to talk about ZOLL and why ZOLL are here today.
And so what are you launching at the event? What are you highlighting? What can people see on your stand today?
So this year we've took a slightly different angle to the way in which we've done it in previous years. But what's important to us is to highlight the innovation and digital solutions. Digital solutions, as we know, is massive within our market space and medical device technology. So we really wanted to drive that message home and what we can do to support our EBME teams.
So what are some of the technologies and solutions that people can see on the stand and why they're really important?
Yeah, so we've got Device Dashboard, which is a platform that allows end users to kind of predict what's going to happen next. So we want to enable our users to look at the devices in real time and look at how can we support them to trigger reports that potentially will allow them to get to those devices as quickly as possible to prevent them failing or to prevent them from not being rescue ready when they need to be.
Excellent. And cyber security has been a really big topic on the conference programme here, and over the last few years it's really been a big theme at EBME Expo. So what are you doing in that area?
Yeah, so our product and development teams, they're all based in Chelmsford in Boston, US. And they're constantly looking at new innovations, what products are coming out into the market and where we can really drive cyber security. We know it's a really important aspect to our users, and we've got to ensure that any future devices that we bring in, that they have that as absolute paramount for patient safety.
Excellent. And so the 10-year plan is coming out. What are some of the things that you would really wish to see from the government to support you as a company, also the EBME sector? What are some of the things that really need to be we need to tackle?
Yeah, so I think, as you know, AI is massive at the moment. Everyone's got smart devices, the digital solutions that lots of manufacturers are trying to develop and grow. But I think for the government, it's important that they loop everything in as one. So looking at patient safety, ultimately medical devices are there to save lives, particularly in our sector at ZOLL. And I'd like to see the government really driving home that message with the use of AI, using the technology, but having patient safety at the forefront of everything they do. You know, there's lots of different avenues that they could go down. People are also scared, right, about AI and what does that look like, especially with the cyber security that we've just spoke about. So I would like to see the government doing that and working with manufacturers to ensure that that's what's coming out, what's the next phase, what's the next technology and innovation.
Fantastic. Thank you so much for giving up your time today.
Thank you so much.
Enjoy the rest of the show,
Thank
won't
you.
you?
Thank you.
Great
Have
to meet
a wonderful
you.
day.
Thank
you.